Let me walk you through the steps for putting a matrix in your calculator and finding the values of A, B, and C, which we're going to plug into our quadratic equation in standard form. So here's my matrix. It's a 3x4 matrix. So I'm going to just go to my calculator. So let me do that. Give me one sec. And I'm going to go here to my calculator, and I'm going to enter those values into my calculator. So the first thing I want to do, let me get out of here, start over. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go to matrix. So I'm going to hit second function matrix, and my matrix comes up. I'm going to go across the top to edit, and matrix, the first matrix, matrix A, is selected for me. By default, it has 1 by 1. So I'm going to hit enter, and I need to change this to a 3x4. I'm just going to type 3, enter, and it jumps across to 4, enter. So I've set it up to enter the values for 3x4 matrix, 3 rows by 4 columns. I'm not just now going to type my numbers in. So my first element is 4, enter, -2, enter, 1, enter that, 32. I've completed the first row. I'm now on the second row. I'm going to enter 1, 1, and 1, and then 5. Then I go to my third row, and I enter 9, 3, 1, and 17. So I have set up my 3x4 matrix with the elements entered. I can get out of this. So I'm just going to hit quit. Okay, so now my screen is clear. Back to matrix again. So second function matrix. And this time we're going to stop at math. We wanted to do the calculation. So here at math, I'm going to page down and look for rref, reduce row echelon form. So I'm going to select rref. And then it's asking rref on what? On my matrix A. So again, I hit second function matrix. Matrix A is selected for me. So I'm just going to hit enter. And then I just close my argument with a parentheses. And I hit enter. And there we go. On the very far right column, the fourth column, are my values for A, B, and C. So A is equal to 3, B is -6, and C equals 8. And those 3 values are what I would plug into my quadratic equation in standard form. I hope this video helps.